Welcome to our tutorial on implementing multi-signature wallets in Java. If you've ever wondered how to enhance the security of your cryptocurrency transactions, you are in the right place. In this video, we will dive deep into the world of multi-signature wallets, step by step. First, let's define what a multi-signature wallet actually is. A multi-signature wallet, often shorted to multi-sig wallet, requires multiple private keys to authorize a transaction. This ensures that no single party has complete control, which greatly enhances security. Hashtag prerequisites. Before we dive in, make sure you have the following set up: JDK 11 or higher installed, an IDE like IntelliJ IDEA or Eclipse, basic understanding of Java programming, hashtag create a new Java project. Let's start by creating a new Java project. Open your IDE and create a new project named multi-sig wallet. Hashtag add dependencies. For our multi-signature wallet implementation, we will use the BitcoinJ library. Add the following Maven dependency in your pom.xml file. Now that we have our dependencies set up, let's create our wallet class to handle multi-signatures. Hashtag create the wallet class. Under your source folder, create a Java class named multi-sig wallet. This class will manage our wallet functionality. Hashtag generate keys. The first logical step in creating a multi-sig wallet is generating the keys that will approve the transactions. We are going to generate 3 EKI pairs. Hashtag create a multi-signature address. Once we have the keys generated, we can create a multi-signature address. In our implementation, we will use a 2 of 3 multi-signature requirement, meaning that out of the 3 keys generated, at least 2 are needed to sign a transaction. Hashtag implement the wallet functionality. Let's now implement the full functionality to create a multi-signature wallet and process transactions. We will add an example function for each part. Hashtag display the generated keys. Let's make it visible. We should also print out the generated keys so that we know what we're working with. Hashtag summary of steps taken. To summarize what we have done so far: 1. We defined what a multi-signature wallet is. 2. We set up our Java project and added the necessary dependencies. 3. We generated keys for our wallet. 4. Finally, we created a multi-signature address and printed our keys. Hashtag signing a transaction. Next, let's go ahead and implement a method that will simulate the signing of a transaction. We need to utilize the BitcoinJ library to create, sign, and verify transactions. Hashtag implementing transaction creation. Let's add a method to create a simple transaction. This will use one of the keys to sign the transaction. For simplicity, we will mock the transaction here. Hashtag integrating everything. Now, let's wire everything together. We will add a transaction creation and signing procedure within the main method. Hashtag error handling for transactions. It's crucial to handle errors when we implement wallet functions. Let's add some basic error checking in our transaction methods. Hashtag dark side of multi-signing. While multi-signature wallets provide improved security, they aren't devoid of disadvantages. They can introduce complexity, making it essential to maintain security around each key. A lost or malfunctioning key could result in unresolvable issues. Hashtag testing our multi-signature wallet. We're almost done. It's time to test our implementation. Write JUnit test cases for the different functionality in your wallet class. Hashtag conclusion. And there you have it. We have successfully implemented a multi-signature wallet in Java. Make sure to keep exploring the BitcoinJ library for more advanced functionalities. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more Java programming tutorials. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, leave them in the comments below. See you next time.